Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see just couple of hours ago WhatsApp are introducing new features, and that feature's name is Avatar. So how to use it, what exactly look like, what is the advantage, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So now let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply open here your WhatsApp. And look at this here, top of the screen. First is my profile picture, my name, and second option come here, avatar. Just today I update WhatsApp application and I receive these features. You can update if you are not display here. Click here, look at this, one boy, two ladies, and they are making own avatar. So if you want learn, so you can learn via WhatsApp profile setting, enter and create your avatar. Related information is there. We can create your own. So click here, it's very simple. Choose your skin tone for your avatar, which types of color your skin or which types of color you like. So I just simply select this one and look like this. This is an avatar. Which types of hair, you boy, girls, accordingly you select. I can go with this, otherwise go with this. You choose here. Also skin tone color you can change accordingly which color you like. Hairstyle, here millions of hairstyle, millions of avatar is available. You can choose your hair color like this, black, brown, gray. So many colors are there here, so you can select which one you like accordingly. So I can go with this. And clouds, which types of clouds you like. It's really amazing. Different traditional comes, different clouds also coming here. So which types of clouds you like, accordingly you select. Here also several bunch of options are available. Body, which types of body you look like. You can increase your body also, like a fat, medium or fitness related body, look like this. Your eye, you can change your eye also, like some Japanese people's eye and different. Here also several varieties are available. We can go back here. Next, here makeups also available. Eye makeup, girls really like this features. Definitely you can eyebrow, change your eyebrow, but I go with as it is. Otherwise you can see this one, this and really amazing. Look like this. Bindi, Indian people like this feature. Definitely you can change your nose also, which types of nose you have, otherwise which types of nose you like, accordingly I select this one. Your nose, eye, nose, some features are available here. I don't want added this one. If you add such kind of pictures or avatar is showing here, but I go with select. Your mouth, which types of mouth you like, accordingly you choose. I go with this. Next one, lip color, you can change the lip color also if you like, but I go with plain. Next, face shape, you can change your face shape also, very amazing, like this. I go with this. Next one, facial hair, you can put it some beards also if you like. So we go as a Tony Stark, this one, otherwise this one. Yeah, next color come here. Earring, you like earring, so you can select one of them. Earring comes like this, you can simply select this one. Hair device color selected here. Like some specs, we require some specs. Eyewear color, okay. The goggle color comes here. I go with black, otherwise brown. And then headwear, oh ho, so many bunch options are available here. Arvind Kejriwal options also available here. Manmohan Singh, Punjabi, but we go here like this. Next option, and next option head color, and that's it. Now we can choose here. You can add here if you want add here, look like this. That is amazing. Done. and save as change, edit mode, save avatar. Yes, okay, this is my avatar. Your avatar is being updated. Next, and sticker avatar created by Meta. Here is my some of the avatar I created. So Meta is created regarding related avatar. Edit, you can edit this one, and that one is really amazing. But done. Okay, create your profile picture. So which avatar you like, accordingly you select. I select this one. Done. If you want delete, you can delete here. If you want edit, you can edit here very easily. We can go back and boom, my profile is now this. I create my own avatar and put it WhatsApp profile. Now we can see the features are coming in chat section. I just simply press here one of the contact, and here this chat section here options are come. I click. You can see here bottom of the screen 3 options are come: GIF, the stickers, and here avatar. I click here, the avatar is going here. It's very simple. You click twice and the avatar is gone. You can send all avatar of your particular person or other person. That one is really amazing. WhatsApp are introducing these features.